Jonny with Field Van. I'm in a van here that we're getting the insulation going. I've seen some insulation jobs over the years. We get home builds that come through. We do repairs on some other vehicles built by some other people. And I can see that the insulation isn't quite done how I would personally do it. How I would do it is like this. So first step is our sound deadening. And you can see all over every surface we have the stinger. It's like a sound deadening material, so you don't get that vibration from all this metal that comes in these cargo vans. So that's step one. And then step two is our foil style. It's a low E Mylar insulation. And this gets wrapped on every surface, so over the beams as well as over the top of this, and that has our value, and it also reduces, if not eliminates, any condensation. That can be a problem in your camper van, different temperatures. You don't want condensation, you do not want water, moisture in your van. Next is our batting style. This is a thin slit, so totally mildew resistant, and that goes in all the bigger void areas. You can see that's all gonna go up here in this space next. Everywhere possible, we have the thin slit stuffed in. So 3 levels of insulation: sound deadening, thermal and moisture barrier, and extra thermal insulation with our thin slit on top of it. You can't have a van that's insulated too much, because winter, summer, whatever conditions you're in, you want it to be either warm, cool in the van based on what's going on outside.